YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE Chemical Bonding JEE PYQ 2020 Topic Dipole Moment and Bond Polarity. It is the lecture 2. Okay. Topic 3 Dipole Moment and Bond Polarity. Question number 11. The dipole moments of CCl4, CHCl3 and CH4 are in the order. See, structure of CCl4 tetrahedral geometry, CH4 also similar, CH4 tetrahedral geometry, and CHCl3 of course tetrahedral geometry, CHCl3. See here, symmetrical structure is there. Symmetrical means if you cut it half, the right side and left side is equal. Actually tetrahedral geometry means one is thick line, one is dotted line. The dotted line is back side, inside the paper. It is outside or front, I can say. These are on plane. Okay, so if you cut it like this, so symmetry is there. Okay, the symmetrical structure, this electron is pulling energy. It is pulling here, this one is pulling here, this one is pulling here, this one is pulling here. The resultant dipole moment mu equal to 0. Similar explanation here, mu equal to 0. See here, these three chlorines are there. These pulling here and here and here. So resultant, so downside is there. This hydrogen, it cannot pull. So resultant, it has polarity. Mu is not equal to 0. Right? It is, that means polar. Therefore it is polar, right? So CCl4 0, CH4 also 0, it is not equal to 0. Now see the options. CH4, CCl4 both are equal and CHCl3 is more. So answer is D. Answer is D. Next question number 12. Which compound exhibits maximum dipole moment among the following? See here, due to the structure, resonance structure, 2 N double bond O and oxygen, right? The lone pair is giving to the benzene. Okay, here NH2, it is plus charge. Here O minus double bond. See, this nitrogen is getting positive charge, oxygen, this NO2 getting negative charge. Okay, that means this both charges almost same side. Here NO2 positive charge, the benzene ring it's getting negative charge, positive, negative, this NO2 positive, sorry, NH2 positive, NO2 is getting negative charge. Which compound exhibit maximum dipole moment? See, dipole moment formula is dipole moment formula mu equal charge E into D, density. What is E here? Charge. Charge into D for the distance. Mu equal to E into D. Here E is charge, D is distance. Distance between charges. distance between charges. Right, see here, maximum distance is here. Charge तो सब में same है, NO2 minus NH2 plus, but maximum distance is here. So the answer will be C. Okay, the electron moving like this, and here the dipole moment, in the same direction is there, electron movement in the same direction, but here electron movement is going like this, it is going like this. Okay, so here you can say same direction but distance is less. Here distance is less as well, the direction is like this. Okay, so the dipole moment will be more whenever these forces are in same direction, as well charge and distance, it depends on charge and distance in between the charges. Finally answer C. Next, question number 13. Molecule AB has a bond length of 1.617 angstrom and a dipole moment mu 0.38 dB. The fractional charge on each atom, the absolute magnitude E naught equal to 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU. What is asking here? The fractional charge. See, A and B, here it may be one is plus, one is minus. The dipole moment mu value is given 0.38 decibel, dB. So we know that 1 dB equal in ESU 10 power minus 18 होता है. That equal, I can write 0.38 into 10 power minus 18, 10 power minus 18 centimeter ESU centimeter. Zero 0.38 into 10 power minus 18 ESU centimeter, right? This is mu value. The fractional charge, see, fractional charge equal partial charge upon total charge. ये total charge क्या होता है? Whenever one electron completely shifted, that means we can take total charge here, we can say ionic case we will take. What is that ionic? See, partial charge means partial charge is the Q. Here mu equal to Q into D. See, whenever partial charge is there, that time 0.38 D is the dipole moment. That implies Q equals mu by D. Here Q equals mu value 0.38 into 10 power minus 18 mu value already given 0.38 dB, right? Distance is 1.617 angstroms given, you take it in the centimeter. 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. Why we are taking in the centimeter? Because mu also we took it in the centimeter, right? That's why. Then this q value we will get it 2.35 into 10 power minus 11. What is this? Partial charge. How we got it? Mu equal to q into d is the formula. In this, q is partial charges, d is the distance between the partial charges. Okay, distance between the partial charges, right? Here finally we got it partial charge. So what is the formula of fractional charge? Don't confuse it. It's a partial, it is a fractional. Okay, partial charge. Partial charge means, see, in case of HCl is there, suppose HCl is there, H plus Cl minus NaCl is there. In case of NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, the charge is equal to this much, 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. But in case of HCl, the charge is not equal to 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. This is the partial charge. Delta plus, delta minus. Partial charge. That means the electron is not completely transferred. In ionic case, electron completely transferred, the charge is equal to 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU. But in covalent molecule, electron is not transferred completely. So the partial charge always lesser than this 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. So we got it here, the partial charge Q 2.35 into 10 power minus 11 we got it. Now this 2.35 into 10 power minus 11 partial charge by total charge. Total charge means when electron is completely transferred, like NaCl. In that case, what is the value? See, total charge equal to how much? 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. Then approximately we will get it. See, 1 by 2 means 0.5. 0.5. This is the 10 power minus 10. If we take it up, plus 10. 0.5 into 10 power minus 1, that equal to 0.05. Okay, B is the answer. B is the answer. Got it? What I did? Once again I am repeating. The molecule AB has a bond length 1.67. See the bond length here, 1.67 एंगस्ट्रॉम्स. इसका डायपोल मोमेंट दिया था 0.38. ओके, दैट 0.38 इज गिवन. इफ आई टेक इन द ESU 0.38 into 10 power minus 18 ESU centimeter. Right. The question is asking the fractional charge on each atom. On this A, what is the fractional charge? And fractional charge is asking the partial charge by total charge. First of all, you have to calculate what is the partial charge. For partial charge, mu formula we have to use. Mu equal to Q into D. Here Q is the partial charge, D is the distance between the charges. Then I got it Q equal to mu by D. Then after solving this Q, we got it 2.35 into 10 power minus 11. Then fractional charge equal this Q partial charge upon total charge. Okay, finally answer is 0.05. Done. Next question number 14. The correct order of bond dissociation energy among nitrogen O2 minus is shown. Which are the following arrangements? Bond dissociation energy means indirectly bond energy asking. देखो bond energy is inversely proportional to bond order, right? Now calculate the electrons. N2 O2 O2 minus. Number of electrons in N2 14 electrons, then 16 electron, then 17 electrons. Bond order is 3, BO, bond order is 3. Bond order is 3, here bond order is 2, here bond order is 1.5. 1.5. See 14 onwards it will decrease. 15 2.5, 16 to 17 1.5, 18 is there 1. Okay, when bond order is decreasing, so bond energy किसको ज़्यादा होगा? Bond energy it should be, this one is higher than this one. Nitrogen has higher than O2 than O2 minus. Nitrogen higher than O2 than O2 minus. Option C. 14th C is the answer. Question number 15. Which one of the following molecule is polar? Geometry you have to know this. XeF4, C xenon, total 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 electrons. 4 fluorines are there, means 4 electrons involved in the bonds. Remaining 2 lone pairs are there. So hybridization 4 plus 2, 4 sigma bonds, 2 lone pair, total 6. sp3d2, sp3d2. The geometry is square planar, square planar. It is like this, above the lone pair, below also lone pair, square planar. It is a symmetrical structure, so it is not no polarity, so mu equal to 0. IF5, total 7 electrons. IF5, so I means 7 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 valence electrons. 5 electrons involving in the bonds, 1 is lone pair, so total 5 plus 1 6, that means sp3d2. First we have to take octahedral geometry, like in that 1 is lone pair. Here up lone pair is there, suppose. Okay, it is not symmetrical, so it is non-polar. Mu is not equal to 0. Next SbF5, it is just like PCl5, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Then CF4 is a tetrahedral, symmetrical, so mu equal to 0. Here it is TBP, trigonal bipyramidal, it is mu equal to 0. So answer is B. Okay, there is no symmetry, that's why this is the answer. Question number 16. Bond distance in HF is given. Dipole moment of HF is given. The percentage ionic character in HF will be, the percentage of ionic character formula, ionic equals mu by mu theoretical or mu practical by mu theoretical. Then what is the mu formula? Mu equal to Q into D. Okay, what is the Q here? The bond distance D is given in the meters. Dipole moment HF. Okay, mu observed is given, right? Mu observed is given. Mu theoretical we have to calculate. For that, distance already we know. Then charge also is given. So mu theoretical mu theoretical. See, what is the mu theoretical? See, mu theoretical means the electron is completely shifted. Hydrogen and F, one electron is completely shifted from hydrogen to fluorine. We will assume that is the theoretical. So if hydrogen is one electron is completely shifted, the distance is 9 point. See, first charge कितना था? 1.60 into 10 power minus 19. The distance between two charges 9.17 into 10 power minus 11. It is already given. Okay, right. Now apply the formula. Percentage of ionic equal mu observed. How much it is? 6.104 into 10 power minus 30 upon 9.17 and 1.6. So approximately 16 nines are how much? Around 114.6 into 10 power minus 30 percentage, no? So in the formula into 100 into 100. Okay, 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 10 get cancelled. Then 4 by 16 into 100, approximately 41.5%. So D is the answer. Okay, what I did here, percentage of ionic equal to mu observed by mu theoretical into 100. This mu formula is always same, mu equal to Q into D. Here mu observed already given. Then mu theoretical means one electron shifted from hydrogen to fluorine. So here positive charge is there, here negative charge is there. The charge how much? The charge equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, the distance is given in this 9.17 into 10 power minus 11. If you do, this is the theoretical, mu theoretical. Next, these two values I substituted in the formula, then we got it answer. Next, question number 17. Among the following chloro compound having a lowest dipole moment, see here CH3Cl, mu is not equal to 0, mu is not equal to 0. Chlorine and chlorine opposite is there. Okay, so get cancel. So trans chlorine is there, so obviously less. Here cis is there, more. Okay, next, so finally answer B. Next, although Cn minus ion and N2 molecules are isoelectronic, yet nitrogen molecule is chemically inert because Cn minus and N triple bond N both are same, bond order is 3, but N2 molecule is inert. It is inert. It is more active. Why? The presence of more number of electrons in bonding orbital? No. Low bond energy is same. Absence of bond polarity? Yes, bond polarity. Here mu equal to 0, but here mu is not equal to 0. So absence of bond polarity. Yes, nitrogen bond polarity is not there. Uneven electron distribution. Electrons evenly distributed. It has lone pair. Carbon has negative charge. So nitrogen molecule is chemically inert because absence of bond polarity. In the nitrogen there is no bond polarity. That is the answer. Next, question number 19. Question number 19. The charge by size ratio of cation determines its polarizing power. Polarizing power. Which one of the following sequence represents the increasing order of polarizing power? What is the polarizing power? See, one negative charge is there, one positive charge is there. Okay, next one more negative charge, here small size positive charge. It has more polarizing power, more. See what will happen if I take these two, this negative charge becomes like elliptical shape, covalent nature. Okay, this is the polarized. This cation has polarizing power, but here less polarizing power. This one has less polarizing power. So here charge density is more. Charge density. Charge density is more. So the smaller cation with more charge has higher polarizing power. Right. So magnesium plus 2. See, first of all, K plus has less polarizing power. Less. Okay, less means only one option is there, that is D option. Still remaining calcium, magnesium, beryllium. See, beryllium, magnesium. See, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Down the group. Atomic size increasing. So smaller size, more charge. Charge density is more for beryllium. Beryllium should be higher. Of course, beryllium should be higher. So direct answer D. Okay, beryllium plus 2 can polarizes faster or effectively. Next, question number 20. Which one of the following pairs of molecules will have permanent dipole moment for both members? Permanent dipole. If you CO2 is there, so structure is linear. But it's not there, not there. Then NO2. Okay, if you have doubt in NO2, SiF4 is there. Obviously it's not there. So answer will be B. NO2 and O3. Okay, here lone pair is there, N double bond O, O minus. So polarity is there. In O3 also it is like water molecule structure. Bond, okay, half of bond. Right, otherwise you can write. Two bonds, this arrow mark plus charge, you can keep it. Right, angular shape is there, that's why obviously polarity is there. Mu is not equal to 0. So right, 20 question B is the answer. Right, next VSE PR theory in the next video we can discuss. Watch the videos, like it and subscribe the channel. Bye.